Okay, so let's create our first new project. Click on the new project button up here, and in this video we will go over the multi-featured AI site creation. So we click on select this. So we have a project name which will come up as you see in the background here. This will be demo video page title, and here you see it says you can use spin tags, so I'll use one that I've used before with spin tags. Rona fishing charters on the Gold Coast, fishing charters Gold Coast, fishing charters near me. So they're the three primary keywords that I'm targeting. Article content seed, so that would be fishing charters. So that's telling the AI what to write the article about. So I put in Gold Coast and Australia to give it a lot of context. One article with spin tags, so that means it will produce, it will work faster, or using this option it will create a unique article for each site created. So I'll choose that. You put in your URL for the site you are promoting. Keywords go here, and then click next up here. So YouTube URL. So you just paste your YouTube URL in just like that. Now your Google Map embed code. So I'll just show you exactly how to get that. So you go to maps.google.com, type in the business, click on share, embed a map, and copy that HTML and paste that directly in there. Too easy. So you can include an iframe, or you can include any HTML that you like in this section of the template. So say you've got a site, let's just go to Google online iframe generator, put your link in there. I leave all this by default. You can change the width and the height, but I'll just generate, copy, paste that in there, and you are done. Click next. Now you choose the linking method. Okay, so which one do we choose? So this one here is the main difference between the rest of them. With this one you get all the high DR sites linking to your main money site. So what does that achieve? That tells Google that there is a lot of interest in your website from many different websites. But if you continue to do that one over and over and over, you would be telling Google that there may be some spam happening because there are way too many links coming all the time. So I like to start my first promotion off using this to give Google an indication that there's some movement in the space and websites are taking notice of this one. And then generally the next one I'll go to 2, then 3, 4, 5. Also with these sites, with these linking strategies, you're going to get a much higher opportunity for this site here to rank in Google. All these sites are sending links to this one, and so the link coming from this one to this one, and they're all created with content in the same niche. That's going to be a very, very powerful link, and the same for all of these. With this one, if you want the bucket sites to rank, these are great for that. So if you're doing reputational damage control, obviously you can use these, and these will rank in Google. These ones here for these three. So generally I start off and I just do this one first, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just start again. And then after a period of time, this will be consistent. Like I would use this one once every 2 weeks basically, and then I'm letting Google know that there is a lot of interest in this website coming from all the other sites. But the main powerful links to boost it will be from these ones here. So then you click next. These are all the bucket sites we're using, so I click on add all. All the ones in the left column will be created, and we click on finish, and that is it. So we click on start job, and then that will arrive in the queue section of the site here once you refresh it. So I just refreshed it, and there it is there. So that's gone into a queue for our system to go out and create all these sites based on the content that you added. Now, the time it takes for a project to be completed, it will take our system about 20 minutes to create it, but your job has gone into a queue with everyone else's, and we have a lot of our system. So yesterday I did a project and it was in the queue, and I asked Max when this one will get started. He said there were 16 other projects before this one, and then I think it took about 90 minutes and that was completed. That means it got through the 16 projects before it, then did mine, and so it was about 90 minutes. And we monitor the load on our system, and as the load increases, we add more, we increase our system to cope with the load, etc. So, but the good news is now you can just go and create a new project like this. So that we just did the multi-featured AI site creation, and so we'll jump into the Streamlined premium template option in the next video.